In this video, you'll learn how to run Claude Code in a virtual environment on Windows. By following this guide, you will set up Python, create a virtual environment, and run your scripts efficiently. Start by navigating to the official Python website, open your web browser, and go to the download section for Windows at python.org/downloads/Windows. Here, locate the download link for Python version 3.12 or higher. Click on it to begin the download process. The file size may vary, so ensure you have adequate space on your hard drive. Once the download is complete, open the installer. It is important to check the box labeled Add Python to Path before proceeding. This step allows you to run Python commands from any command prompt. Next, click the Install Now option to start the installation. Wait for the installation to finish, and once it does, you can verify the installation by opening a command prompt and entering Python-version to check the Python version in pip-version to confirm that pip, the package installer, is also installed. Next, open Windows Terminal. This can be done by searching for Windows Terminal in the Start menu. Within the terminal, navigate to your project folder. If the folder does not exist, create it by typing mkdir Claude_project and pressing enter. Then change into that directory with the command cd Claude_project. After you are inside the project folder, create a virtual environment by executing python-venv. This command generates a new folder named v that contains an isolated Python environment. Now it is time to activate the virtual environment. In the terminal, type, if successful, you will notice that the prompt changes to include venv, indicating that the virtual environment is active. When you finish working in this environment, you can deactivate it by simply entering deactivate in the terminal. With the virtual environment active, you can now install Claude Code, Python, and press enter. This command will download and install the necessary packages. Once the installation completes, confirm that Claude Code is installed correctly by running the command python-c import Claude_code, print Claude installed successfully. If there are no errors, the installation was successful. Next, you will set your API key, create a new file in your project folder named quote.env. In this file, enter CLADU_API_key_AP_key_ here, replacing your _API_API key. To load this API key in your Python scripts, you will need to use the Python package. Start your script by importing the necessary modules. Import os from _10 and import Claude_code. Load the environment variables by calling load_10. Retrieve your API key using API_key equals rs.get10/10 with client equals Claude_code, client API key. Finally, ensure your virtual environment is still activated by executing vir script activate. To run your Python script, type python test_Claude.py quote in the terminal and press enter. This will execute the script, and Claude Code will generate code or responses within the isolated environment, keeping your project's dependencies organized. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.